Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you the eBay shipping calculator. I had a hard time getting that word out. You're going to go to your eBay, you're going to make sure that you're signed in, and then in the upper left hand corner you're going to click on Help and Contact. This is the page that pops up. You're going to go into this Search eBay Help and you're going to put in Calculator. And a drop down menu will appear. Using our shipping calculator, click on that, and this pops up. So this is a nice little article that tells you how to use it, what it's used for, etc. Read it, it's good, it doesn't take much time, but you're going to come down here to tip, and you're going to click on shipping calculator to actually access the calculator. So, to be transparent, I am on ebay.ca, so there is very similar to ebay.com. A couple of things that are different. The types of parcels will be a little bit different. I'm just choosing a generic parcel or padded envelope. Also on .ca, dimensions are in centimeters and weight is kilograms and grams. On .com, that would be inches and pounds and ounces, just to be clear. So I just picked a random size of package, a 30 by 30 by 10 centimeter. And my weight, I'm going to keep it simple, and 454 grams, which is a pound. Now, you're going to scroll down to your details. This is where you will enter your postal code. And if you have any handling fees, we don't, so I'm leaving that blank. So you want to put in where the item is coming from. That's the postal code you want to use. Then you want to come down here to destination. And this is if you do have a package or an address, you can put the postal code or zip code in this box here. I'm actually just going to choose two major cities on either ends of the country just to see what the most it would cost me to ship this package. So I'm going to go here to, let's see, to Vancouver first, and we're going to calculate the shipping. So that 1 pound 30 by 30 by 10 parcel is going to cost me $26.69 using Canada Post regular parcel, or $28.10 using expedited. There's others, there's an express service as well, but I'm not using them. That's really expensive. So y'all, that's what you would normally cost through any Canada Post, but we get eBay rates up here. So you're going to click on that and you're going to see what you save. So it was $26, but now with the eBay rates, it's only costing $20.71 or $22.05. So that's pretty good. It was a good savings, and you can use it that way. Now, in order to figure out a flat rate shipping, I am actually going to change Vancouver to something out east, which I believe is St. John's, Newfoundland, I would assume. Right, Paul?
I'm not sure if it's...
I think so. And we're going to calculate the shipping there. So as you see, it's $28.72 and $30.77. Let's do our eBay rates, and I got $22.68 and $24.15. Now, if I was doing a flat rate, I'd get very few packages to Newfoundland, so I'm not necessarily going to worry about sending something that far. But I get a lot of packages going to BC, and that rate was about $20. So I'm thinking probably in around between $18 or $15 and $20 is what I would pay flat rate for my shipping. That's what I would post in my listing. So it's very easy to use. I do suggest, if you want to play with it, maybe take some Poshmark packages that you have and weigh and measure them and use their zip codes or their postal codes and figure out how much it would cost to send that if you actually had to pay for the shipping through eBay. And that's a really good feature that they have. It's a good tool. Use it, get comfortable using it, and you'll gain confidence with your shipping. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope everybody has a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.